Inertia is defined as the tendency of a body at rest to remain at rest, unless acted on by an outside force. Waking up is hard, especially when your own brain is working against you. Your body is at rest and it wants to stay there. And as mentioned in the first law of motion, you need an outside force. Your current alarm is too easy to dismiss, and no matter how many backup alarms to the backup alarm you have, you simply can't wake up on time. And you should be able to wake up on the time that you want to. However, if you want to keep feeling like you're wading through molasses in the morning or running around like a roach just hit with raid, then maybe this isn't the video for you. But if you want to be sharp, alert, and have a peaceful morning that goes at the pace that you want, I figured I'd share a cool new app you didn't even know you needed until just now. Imagine this. You found some random obscure channel on YouTube that is pure nonsense, but you can't look away. You tell yourself, just one more video. Hours pass and you're finally tired. You look at the time and you realize you only have a few hours of sleep before you need to catch a flight. You set an alarm and now you're sleeping good, right? A little too good. You hear a notification, you jump up and you see the airline saying, "Have a safe flight." Your brain is in this funk trying to answer the question, how the heck did I miss my alarm? Now, the answer everyone is going to say is, well, actually, you just needed to turn off the video and just go to sleep. It's so simple. Shaking my head. But you and I both know that's easier said than done. The video was juicy and that was a problem for future you. But now your alarm is going off and you can barely move out of your comatose state. But your brain is going to protect you by doing what it does best. It picks up your alarm, finds that dismiss, and hits it with the precision of an Olympic shooter. All the while, you're having the best sleep of your life, not even aware of what's going on in the conscious world. Yeah, you have a backup alarm and a backup to the backup alarm and a final do or die alarm that if that goes off, you might as well call out sick and try again tomorrow. But when you finally do wake up, there's this feeling of, damn, I really can't wake up if I wanted to. And you should be able to do that without needing a backup to the power of 3. I have ADHD and I struggle with getting out of bed too. It has something to do with context switching and task transitions. For me, it feels like my bed is Velcro and I'm wearing a wool sweater, and no matter which way I turn, I keep getting stuck on Reddit till the very last minute. Back when I was on Android, I had this app called Sleep as Android, but once I switched to iPhone, I had nothing but willpower. And I will power off my phone if I'm tired enough. But that's a thing of the past now with the Awake app. Now, just really quick, I'm not sponsored by this app at all. It's just that good. And how it works is, instead of you simply dismissing your alarm, you have to complete a mission. And once you pass the mission, then and only then will your alarm be dismissed? My favorite mission is the scan code. I created a QR code I can't easily remember, and I have it under the cabinet in the kitchen. It's out of sight, which my fiance approves of, but it puts me in a place that I want to start my day. Another reason I like this app is because you can pay a one-time fee for the pro features. In this day and age, everything is a subscription. Babe, did we forget to pay the fridge subscription again? But regardless of if you use the free features or the pro ones, it'll put waking up into easy mode. I will go as far as to say you'll look forward to waking up in the mornings. Not so much because you're waking up early, but because you will actually be more attentive and you'll feel more engaged. You'll start seeing how much more time is available in the morning, time you didn't think existed. But now that you're finally out of bed and you found this new free time, unfortunately, you probably got another boss to beat. Doom scrolling. But that's another topic for another video. For now, just go to the App Store, link is in the description, download Awake, and try it for yourself. Then, once it works for you, I know it will work for you, I want you to share with me how your mornings are going now that you're using it. Again, I'm not sponsored by this. This is just an app that I figured I'd share. Until next time, see you in the next video.